Okay, sir.
Good morning, students. I welcome back SR online classes for become first year, second sem students. The last class is discussing on the function. What do you mean by function? Function is a self-contained block. Why we are creation of the functions is number of times can be used in a developing on the applications programs. That is the function. And categories of means three types of functions are yesterday discussing: library functions, defined function. Next we are discussing on the user defined functions. User defined functions. User defined functions. User can develop own functions. For example, built-in functions are there, system functions are there, library functions are there. It's like yesterday I discussed scanf, printf. Already experts will be training on the programs. That's called system defined functions. Now we are user can develop own function. Just if you can write the coding, developing on the programming. Then next diagram we are using number of times. The purpose of using user can develop own type of function that is known as user defined function. The function that are defined the functions that are defined to perform his own operations. His own, and it means it can develop own applications. Own operations are known as user defined functions. User defined functions. Example: display. Just if you guys you can function name this display. Sum, add, multiplication. These are the functions, etc. Just using this as a visual name, display. Display is a function name. It should be in the different type of arguments and without arguments. There is known as subtraction, multiplication, adding. Just you can writing of the code. User, that means these functions. User defined function has unique name. User defined function as unique name, called as a function. Called as a function. Name and they, function name and unique name. Unique name as a, it's like unique name, and they may or may not take arguments. This note, this is the arguments. May or may not take. Here display without having any arguments. For example, having arguments, prototypes or variables or parameters. May or may not take arguments, and similarly they may or may not return any values. Okay, this is nothing but as user. User means user can develop own type of functions. It can developing other programs. It's like display as if it's unique name, function name, and it's having a take argument or without arguments, and it will be returns as well as no returns values. Next, apart from depending on its functions, it has a coding of these functions. Okay, coding of the functions. It's like so. Apart from depending, just if you connect one part, apart from depending, it has separate blocks within the program. Separate blocks within the program. Before or after. We have to invoke or call the function with the main its execution. Next we are writing this. We have to invoke. Invoke means call the function. Invoke or call. Invoke or call the function. Call the function within the main main. For its execution. Okay, these are the just we can use the different functions. It has means function can be classification of the following steps are there. What are the function? In C2, okay, manipulate user different function. Follow the following 3 steps are there. Okay, what the follows the steps will be just to invoking the function, calling the function, declaring the function. It's like this. In C language, to manipulate use the different functions. Different functions. Follow the following. Follow the following 3 steps. What are the steps? It's like function prototype. First one is function prototype, declaring the function. Next, function definition. Definition of the function. Definition of the function. Invoking the function. Hence call function call. These are the whenever we are declaring of the user different functions, just function prototype. What are the prototypes? Means declaring the function. and coding of the function, and invoking the function means calling the function calls. These are the steps will be available. Steps will be available of the functions. Next, functions advantages. Okay, features of the functions are advantages of functions. Features. What are the features? Main functions means modular approach, already easy reusability, faster execution, portability, invoking of number terms, integrity, and save memory, easy error corrections. Easy error corrections, these are the functions advantage. Modularity approach, modular approach means if you can take the long program, you can take the big program, can be compatible or divided into parts. That's called model. Easy readability. For example, you can take long program is very difficult to reading and execution of the program. But it's difficult. That's why some parts will be readability is very easy and execution is very fast compared to long. Portability. Portable means if you write small codes. Different areas, this last will be adding up the meanings. That's called portability. And invoking of number of n, invoking for n means number of time. Once we are creating the function, that function can be used number of times. That's called invoking for n times. Invoking for calling for number of times. Integrity. Integrity means adding up the subtasks. And memory is a very safe and easy error correction and declaring of the rectifying an error is very easy and debugging an error is very easy. These are the advantage of the functions. Okay, advantages are features of the functions. Next, already discussing of the creation of the three steps are the function prototype. Prototype means declaring of the functions. Declaring of the function. Next, function definition. Function definition means actual content of the block. Next, another one is invoking of the function. Function calls. Function calls. These are the function three steps. First one is function prototype. Function first what in these three steps are the function prototype. Function prototype. Function prototype is declaring the function. How to declare the function? And these are the statements just declared. These are the statements that are used to declare the user defined function. Declare the user defined function. User defined functions, which is nothing but given specification to C. C means C language. Compile about the function. Compile about the function name, number of arguments, number of arguments means parameters. Type of argument is like integer or type of arguments, and variables are parameters which type of data type of and a return data type and a return data type. Return data type. Next syntax. Return type. Return type. Function name. Return type and function name. Argument list or parameter list. Parameter list. Argument list or parameter list. Argument list or parameter. This is a declaring of the function. Where data type is any data type, built-in data type. Function name is unique function name. Arguments means variable list or parameter list separated by commas. It means the syntax here. Here, data type is a built-in data type. Data type is built-in data type. Means int, float, double character. Next, function name is unique identifier name. Single, okay. Function name is which is unique. Unique single function name. Simple name of the function. Next, argument list separated by arguments. Argument list separated by commas, like argument 1, comma, argument 2, comma, argument 3, etc, etc. Okay, example. Just example. Int is a data type. Sum is a function name. Int x and int y. These are the int x comma int y. Int x comma int y. Next, void here is a data type. Here is a data type. Type. Function name is sum. Here function name is swap. You can arguments means int x and y. Here no arguments. It's called function prototype. Function prototype. Clear enough with that? Return type, function name, argument list or parameter list. Next, function definition. Function definition. Function definition. It is depending on the user defined function. It is depending the user defined function which is associating function. It is depending on the user defined function which is associating the function with code. Associating the function with code. Function with code or series of instruction. series of instructions. Next, syntax. Syntax, return type, function name, return type, function name, and formal parameter or formal parameter. Formal parameter or actual function header means formal parameter is function header. Next, function body. Just if you can write coding of that says function body. Function body. Example. Return type as you wish, okay? Return int sum is a function name, sum multiplication division, okay? And int x and formal parameters int x, comma int y. Next return x plus y. Now okay. This is nothing but a function definition. Actually, content of the body. Content of the body we can write here. Next, parameter are arguments. What are the parameters? That means variables. What is the actual parameters? What is the formal parameters? I will discussing on the what is this parameters. Okay, formal parameters and actual parameters. Actual parameters are formal parameters. Formal parameters means copy to the actual parameters. Next means the definition is the parameters are arguments. Parameter are arguments. Parameters are arguments. These are the expressions that are used to represent the data. That means parameters. These are the expressions that are used to represent the data which may be constant operator, it means represent the data. Actually, which may be constant operator and operand. Everybody knows operators and operands are formula or function call. Formula or function call. In C, parameters is classified two types. In C, parameters or arguments can be classified two types. C parameters are classified two types. One is actual parameters. Two is formal. Second one is formal parameters. Actual parameters, it can be classified two ways, actual as well as formal. What will be actual parameters? Whenever declaration of the function user different functions, that can be take the actual. Then whenever the calling function and called function, the declaration of the function, it passing on the definition of the function, same copy will be producing, that's called actual. Actual parameters are the arguments. First one take the actual. Actual parameters. Actual parameters are the arguments. Actual parameters are the arguments that are used to pass. Pass the data or information, pass the data or information to the function call. Function call means calling function. Function call from the calling point, from the calling point. Next, formal. Formal parameters. These are used to receive the data information, receive the data, pass it from the calling point, within the calling point, within function header row, within function header. Okay, means these are the used to receive the data, pass it from the calling point to within the function header row. What means header row? What do you mean by header row? Whenever declaration of definition of function means function arguments is nothing but header row. Header row. A formal parameters are arguments. Formal. Formal parameters are the arguments. These are used for the arguments. These are used for the function within function header row, within formal parameters are the arguments. These are used for the function within the function header row. Function header row. They need to be declared. They need to be declared. The number, declare the number, and type of formal parameters, type of formal parameters should be equal okay, whenever declaration calling from called, okay, this whenever should be equal and same the data type should be equal to should be equal to and same to the actual parameters. Actual parameters. There is nothing but is a this is definition of this type of parameters and arguments, functions. This is the different types of parameters and arguments. Clear enough with it? Now continue. This session will be stopped to continue the invoking the function and categories of the functions. Functions, invoking the function, as well as number of types of category of the functions will be continued in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.